Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject mathematics, and the topic is area, rectangle, square. So in this one, what exactly the area? So area means any closed space, or we can say any closures figures. Okay, so if that is a, suppose the this is a quadrilateral. Okay, if this is a close, so inside this one, or we can say interior part, so this occupied space is called a area. Okay, of any space or any figure. Okay, any closed figure. So if there is a circle, so inside the circle this area is called a, and this space occupied space is called a area. Okay, so the space occupied by figure on a ground means, suppose this is on a plane, one plane means, for the your understanding purpose, the ground. Okay, so on this ground, so that is called the area. So this is a two dimensional, because this is a one dimension and this is another dimensional. Okay, so a circle is a two dimensional, means this is the radius and the, we can say, the centers coordinations. Okay, so these are the two coordinations. In this one the area is there. Okay, so for this one area, to find out things, so there are the some formulas. The surface expansion occupied by the figure on a ground, this is the area. So there are the formula. Area of the rectangular, so we know that for the rectangular there are the two sides. Okay, so one is the length and another is the breadth. So if you multiply by this L and M breadth, okay, means multiplication of this L and this breadth, we are getting this complete area. Okay, so for the formula, length multiply by breadth, this is very simple. Same is for the square also, but as we know, the for the square, length and the breadth are the also the equal. Okay, that is called, we can say, square. In this one, this length and this length means both are the same, so same number we are multiplying, that is we can say side square. So that's why we are saying side square. This is also one side and this is also one side, so but length and the breadth in a square are the same. So the formula of the rectangular is length multiplied by breadth, or we can say the width, and the square is a side square. Okay, or we can say side multiply by side. This is very simple. So, and on this two formulas, this is a one formula for the square and this is one formula for the rectangular. On this base, there are some examples are given. So the question number 1 is there: what is the area of given figure? So in this figure, all the squares are of 1 square centimeter. So this square, this square, this square, this square, each are 1 square centimeter. 1 square centimeter means, suppose this is a 1 by 1, 1 is a side here and this is a one side. So 1 multiplied by 1, okay, 1 multiplied by 1 is equals to 1. Okay, this is a centimeter and this is also the centimeter, means centimeter multiplied by centimeter is equals to, we can say, centimeter square or square. Okay, SQUARE. Okay, square centimeter, like this one also we can write down. Okay, so this, please, don't forget, remember this one, this is the important. So side multiply by side, so here 1 is the side of the square, because square having the all the four sides are equal. Okay, so length is the same and breadth also the same, so that's why 1 multiplied by 1 is equals to 1, and centimeter multiplied by centimeter means centimeter square, or we can say square centimeter. Now this is also the 1 square centimeter, this is also 1 square centimeter, this is also 1 all are having the 1 square centimeter. So as per this one, area we have to find out. So this area means this occupied area, plus if we add this one also, so this will comes like this one. If you add all one by one, we will get the complete area of this figure. Okay, so like this one means one by one we will get added, so means we have to add 1 plus 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 1. So there are the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so 8 square centimeter, this is the area of this complete figure. So 8 is given in option number 3. Now, question number 2, the length and the breadth of a rectangle is 12 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Then what is the area of rectangle? So as we know, the area of the rectangle is length multiplied by breadth, means 12 centimeter multiplied by 9 centimeter. Okay, so 12 nines are, this is a 108 square centimeter, and this is given in option number 1. Now, question number 3, what will be the area of square having side 7 centimeter? Now, this is the square means all the sides are 7 means equal. Okay, so and we know the length means the same as a breadth, so we will say the side square, or we can say side multiplied by side. So as we know, 7 square is a 49, and unit is centimeter means square centimeter. Okay, so this is given in option number 3. Then question number 4, find the area of figure formed by joining two squares of sides 5 centimeter each. So find the area of the forming two squares. Okay, so we can say, suppose this is a one square, okay, which is having the 5 and this 5 and this 5 and this 5 also, and joining of the two squares. So this is one square and same square of having the 5 sides, okay, 5 centimeter side we are joining. So after this joining, complete this figure, so this area we have to find out. Okay, so now we know this is a 5 and this is 5, so 5 plus 5, this will become the 10. Okay, so additions of the same means this is also the 10. Okay, and another side means this one is a 5. Now after joining this one completely, we can say this is the rectangular, so 10 multiplied by 5 also we can do, or we can say 5 multiplied by 5 is a 25 of this area and 25 of this area. We can do the additions, so 25 plus 25, it's a 50. This is a way. Okay, so this is a square centimeter, this is a one way, or we can say after additions of these sides, so 5 plus 5, it will be the total 10. So and this is the width, so 10 multiplied by 5 is also a same, means 50 square centimeter. So 50 square centimeter is given in option number 2. Question number 5, what is the area of given figure? So in this one, 4 centimeter is mentioning, and this symbol is showing that this side is equals to this side and this side and this side, means all the 4 sides are same and having the length 4 centimeter. Okay, so as we know, this is a square because the all the sides are equal. So and it's a same as a 90-degree also here. Okay, as per the figure we can assume that one. So all are the same, so 4 multiplied by 4 multiply, sorry, so we can say is equals to the 4 square, so this is a 16 square centimeter, and this is given in option number 3. Now question number 6, the length and breadth of the rectangular land is 75 meter and 35 meter, then find the area of that land. So this is rectangular and the length is a 75 meter and the breadth is a 35 meter, so we have to do the multiplication. So 75 multiplied by 35, so we are getting the 2625. Here the meter is the unit, so square meter. Okay, so this is a given in option number 1. Question number 7, how much labor charge will be paid to paint a wall of length 5 meter and breadth 2 meter at the rate of 30? Now this is a very important question. Now only here we are not going to calculate only the area, but after the area there is a rate of 30. Now rate of 30 is given, means this is the rate of, means that meaning is 30 rupees, okay, per square. Now here the meter is the okay, so this is the rate is given square meter. Okay, rupees 30 per square meter, means for 1 square meter rupees 30 they will charge, okay, for the painting purpose. That is the meaning. Okay, I'm again repeating, the rate is mentioned here, means that one of 30 is mentioned, means that is the meaning that 30 rupees for rate, means that is a per unit. Now here the unit is the meter. Okay, so now here length and the breadth given, means of course there is a in area, that is a rate. Now area means meter multiplied by meter means square meter. Okay, so it means that is a, for 1 square meter rupees 30 they will charge for the painting purpose. Okay, now as per this one, the wall having 5 meter length, okay, 5 multiplied by breadth is a 2, so area we will find out. So 5 multiplied by 2 is a 10 square meter, and for 1 square meter rupees 30 is there. So to find out the cost, so rupees 30 we have to multiply, so this is a 300 rupees. Okay, so this is the 300 is given in option number 3. Now question number 8, the area of the rectangular is 150 square centimeter and the length is 15 centimeter, then find the breadth of rectangle. Now area is given, okay, length is given. Now breadth we have to calculate. As we know, length multiplied by breadth means like this one is equals to area. A for area I am mentioning. Now length is mentioning here 15. So 15 multiplied by breadth we have to calculate. So keep it B as it is equals to 150. So now B is equals to 150 divided by this 50, because this is in multiplication this side, it will goes to the another side and it will divide that one. So B is equals to 10, means 150 divided by 15 is a 10. So 10 centimeter, because this area is square centimeter and length also centimeter, so unit will be keep it the same. Okay, so this is a 10 centimeter. Now question number 9. How much will be the sum of area of square of side 4 centimeter and rectangular of length 6 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter? So this square and the rectangular, that we have to add. Okay, additions. So summation of the area. So this area is 4 square. 4 square is equals to 16 square centimeter of the area is square. So this is a 16 square centimeter of the area of square. Then rectangular area means length multiplied by breadth. So 6 multiplied by 3 is 18 square centimeter. So after this additions we will get 34 square centimeter. So this is given in option number 3. So for the question number 9, option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 10. Find the cost of square land with 15-meter side if the cost of 1 square meter land is 800. Now here the 800 is the cost, means suppose this is rupees we mentioned of costly. So for the 1 square meter 800 rupees, this is a cost. Okay, so as per this one, the square land, okay, and the side is a 15 meter, and as we know this is a square means all the sides are equal, means 15 meter. So 15 meter, so that is a square means 225 square meter is the area of that land, and 1 square meter of the area having the rupees 800, so multiply by with the 800, so that is equals to the rupees of the 18, then 0000, means this is a, sorry, 1,80,000 rupees. Okay, so after this multiplication, so this is given in option number 4. Now question number 11. What will be the area of square if its perimeter is 100 meter? Now area of the square we have to find out, but the perimeter of the square is given 100 meter. As we know, squares all sides are equal, means there are the 4 sides and equal length, so 100 is the perimeter, means divided by the 4, so that is a 25 meter is each side. Okay, and as per this one area we have to find out, so area is side square, so 25 square is a 625 and unit is square meter. Okay, so this is given in option number 4. Now question number 12. The length and breadth of rectangular ground is 18 meter and 16 meter. How many rectangles of length 8 meter and 6 meter will be formed in this ground? So this is very important. Suppose this is a land of, I'm just write down here 18 meter and this is 16 meter. Okay, and in this one the length 8 by 6, 8 and multiply by with a 6. Suppose this is a 8 and this is a 6. Okay, so this is a side 6. Okay, and this is a side 8 centimeter. Okay, sorry, 8 meter. So 8 meter by 6 meter, like this one. To form up this land, means this area, how many this type of the small piece, or we can say small area where to add, so that we can get the 18 meter by 16 meter of the rectangular ground. So for this one we have to find out the area of this one and this one also, means for this one 18 multiply by 16, so that multiplication if you do that, you will get the 288 square meter. And for this one 8 multiply by 6, 8 multiply by 6 is a 48 square meter. Now this and this two area we have find out. Now Now this is a smaller one, so how many times we will repeat so that we can get this area? So this means 288 divided by 48 we have to do. So as per this one, square meter here also and here also square meter. In a division, both the units are gone. Now only the units, means number is remaining. So 48, if we multiply with this 6, we will get 288, means this is the 6 numbers, okay, or we can say 6 times. So that 6 is given in option number 2. So now question number 13, what is the length of side of square if its area is 144 square meter? Now this is a square, okay, means this area means having the side square, okay, side square is equals to 144. Now this side we have to calculate, as we know 144 is a square of 12, means 12 multiplied by 12. If we do, we will get this 144, means the side is 12 and here the unit is meter, means that is a meter. So 12 meter means option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 14, the side of square classroom is 6 meter. How much labor charge you will have to pay to fit pavement means at the floor, okay? So in a classroom at the rate of rupees 20 per square meter, okay? So this is a square classroom and side is a 6 meter, so 6 meter is a square, or we can say 6 meter multiplied by 6 meter. So 6 square is a 36 and this is a square meter, but the rate is a rupees 20 per square meter. So 36 multiplied by rupees 20, okay? So this is a 72, 36 multiplied by 2 is a 72 and this 0, okay, as it is. So this is a in rupees, because this is a square meter and this is a per square meter, so this square meter and this square meter get gone, so only the rupees will balance, okay? So means 720. So this is given in option number 1. Now question number 15, the length of rectangle is 6 centimeter and perimeter is 20 centimeter. What will be the area of that rectangular? So first of all we have to calculate the rectangles this breadth, okay? Now perimeter is given, perimeter is 20 centimeter. Now perimeter means this length, okay, plus this breadth and multiply by 2. So 2L plus 2B is equals to 20. Now L is given 6, means 2 multiplied by this 6 is equals to, sorry, plus this 2B is equals to 20. Now this is a 12, so 12 plus 2B is equals to 20. So 2B is equals to 20 minus 12, because here it is a addition, so we are shifting another side, so it will be subtracted. So this is a 12 minus 20 minus 12 means 8. So 2b is equals to 8, means b is equals to 4. So breadth is a 4 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the area. So breadth is a 4 centimeter. So now as we know the area of the rectangular, so length multiply by this breadth, so 6 multiply by 4, so 6 multiply by 4 is a square centimeter is area. So 6 4 the 24 square centimeter, and this is given in option number 1. Thank you.